Hello, myself Sangeeta from Plan My Study. Today we are going to take more information about our body. Dear all, our body works on very complex mechanism. To understand the function clearly, human organ system is classified as skeleton system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, and so on. And if we want to take more detail of our internal systems, we have designed the board like this. This is the wooden platform, a glass fiber model. It's a unbreakable. And to give you an exact idea, we have used that color code also. That is skin color we have taken for human body. So this is a chart for human circulatory system. Human circulatory system, I can show you the parts which includes in this human circulatory system. So it will be easy for the students to memorize the thing basically. All the keynotes we have given on this board so that they will get an exact idea. Also, first is heart, then second is lung, third is liver, fourth is kidney, fifth is aorta, then sixth is superior vena cava, seventh is the axillary artery, circulatory system, that it supplies blood to each and every organ of our body. And the main requirement of our body is that only each and every organ should get oxygenated blood. Basically, what is oxygenated blood? Our heart, oxygenated blood will be filled with oxygen. Basically, it will be a pure blood, we can say, and pure blood, impure blood also we can say. So in the red, that portion we have shown here, it will have a pure blood, and the blue one we have shown that it will have a impure blood. So we can also differentiate between veins and arteries also. We have a lot of, in 7th 8th standard there is a question, what is the difference between arteries and veins and all these things. So arteries carries blood from heart, and the veins carries blood to heart. So these are the main detail we have and designed a board like this, and all the detail about the circulatory system we have given in this board, the quite big one, and all the detail in detail you will get information in your books and all. Second one I will show you, that human digestive system. Human digestive system, all know what is the purpose of human digestive system. It provides energy to all our body basically, right? So food is the basic need of our, and that what we eat, it converts into a required format. That is the work of human digestive system, right? So digestive system starts from mouth and ends with the anus. So all the parts we have, again on the key card I have shown all the details. First where it is, then it will go into the stomach, then pancreas will and liver will add bile juices in that food, and then it will go through the internal organs. This is the small intestine, and this is the big intestine. Actually, the absorption of food that converts into blood, that major process is taken in the small intestine. It's a very big process basically. So the food will remain in this small intestine up to 8 to 10 hours, and then it will pass through the big the intestine, small intestine and big intestine, and then it will go out through the anus. So this is all about the digestive system. Similarly, we have, this is also unbreakable, made up of an actual color we have provided it so that student get an exact idea, and it's all about our human digestive system. All the keynotes are also given in this 12 keynotes are there. In this board, 12 keynotes are there, right? Third one is our respiratory system. So you know guys, what is the function of our respiratory system? The oxygenated blood, that oxygen infused in the blood is the work of our human respiratory system, right? So same way, this is a glass fiber and all the details we have provided here. The respiratory system, the nasal cavity, this is the nasal cavity. Then in respiratory system, basically lungs are in detail. Lungs are the major part which take into the respiratory system, and oxygenated blood provided by the lungs to heart. So this is the major. So all the details like evolis and that nasal cavity, we have pharynx, aorta, bronchi, then diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. It will separate our torso into two different parts basically. This is the respiratory system, and then after that there will be a digestion part will be, and behind the respiratory system heart will be located. So a student get exact idea how our body it works, and also there is a how it is situated and all these things. Thirdly, I will give you all the information about the nervous system also. See, we have designed this board, and what is the function of nervous system? Function of nervous system, the sensation basically. All the we have like veins and arteries. We have a very minute mesh all over the body. Basically sensation, and a major part of our nervous system is our brain. Then, so guys, this all is about our 2D models. This is a very quality product basically, and very on a very thick board we have assembled it. Its outer packing will be like this, and the dimensions of the board is 55 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Okay, and this is a very thick board, wooden plank, and we have provided this cork also. It will be easy for you to have this setup in our laboratory, right? And this is a wrap by this film, okay, like this, so that you will get an intact product, and all the system will be get protected also. And this is a wrap in this cardboard. Hard cardboard is this box, and you will get it at your place from our website also, Plan My Study. You can book it from our Amazon, Flipkart, on Snapdeal also we are available. We will dispatch it by DTDC, or if the DTDC service is not available, we will dispatch it by Indian Post Services also. It's all about our 2D models. We have a 3D models like this. You will get each and every organ in 3D shape on our website, and all the detail and correct information will be there. You can see in next session I will give you all the information of the 3D models which we are having, right from eye, then kidney, liver, internal of kidney, then internal of liver, the internal of eye, how eye works. So each and every detail will be available in this 3D model also, and in a next video I will give you all the information about it. So guys, if you like our videos and products, please subscribe our YouTube channel Plan My Study and press the bell icon. Thank you.